Welcome to our detailed overview of UBS Bank, where we dive deep into the terms of service to give you a clear understanding of what you're really agreeing to when opening an account. UBS, a global leader in wealth management and investment banking, provides a range of services for both personal and business clients, but like most large institutions, their terms can be complex. Let's start with the basics. UBS offers multiple types of accounts, including savings, checking, and investment accounts. However, the fees associated with each account can vary. For example, UBS charges maintenance fees for some of its accounts, and these can range from a low monthly fee to a significantly higher one, depending on the account type and balance. One of the main advantages of banking with UBS is its global presence and a solid reputation in wealth management. It provides a full suite of financial services, including private banking, asset management, and corporate banking, catering to both individual and institutional clients. Their wealth management services, in particular, are highly regarded for offering personalized solutions to meet specific client needs, but there are some drawbacks. First, the fees can be quite high compared to other banks, especially if you are looking for a simple checking or savings account. UBS also has a reputation for having less than stellar customer service in some regions, with long wait times and complex procedures. On top of that, some customers have reported that navigating their online platform can be challenging, as it's not as user-friendly as other major banks. Let's talk about costs in more detail. For regular checking accounts, UBS charges a monthly fee that can go as high as 150 CHF per month if the account balance is too low. Investment accounts and other specialized services may have management fees that can vary depending on the size of the investment or the type of service you select. While UBS offers some great advantages for those looking for a higher-tier banking experience, it's important to be aware of these fees and charges, as they can quickly add up. Additionally, their services are often tailored toward high-net-worth individuals, meaning average consumers may not always find the best value here. It's crucial to thoroughly understand what you're getting into before opening an account with UBS. Pay close attention to the fees, terms, and conditions, and make sure their services align with your financial needs. If this video helped clarify some things for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking breakdowns and honest reviews.